It's my birthday, I'm so glad it's here. It's my birthday, I can't wait to celebrate my birthday. Woke up this morning and it looked like the same old day, but something was different, just what I couldn't say. Was it the number circled on the calendar, the present with the big red bow, the long sweet hug I got from you? Hey, I think I know. It's my birthday, I'm so glad you're here. It's my birthday, I can't wait to celebrate my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, fiori d'Angela. Happy birthday to you. D'Angela, hijita, feliz cumpleaños. Fiorella, feliz cumpleaños. Que la pasen bonito. Sabes que la amo mucho a las dos. Que la pasen bello, bello, bello. I love you, ¿ok? Bueno, pues princesas, espero que les guste este pequeño homenaje que les he hecho. ¿Ok? Happy birthday, D'Angela, Fiorella. Bye bye.